Hey, it's dawn, but there's Jim. There's Jim and Scott is over there. Yeah. So anyways, it's the Nearly Historical Railroad channel. And I don't know, I think we're just running trains or something tonight. I'm not even really sure, but we're here, so hi. Wait, here we go. Oh, wait, oh my God. Oh, and there's Scott.
I'm here, live, missing you guys.
There you go. All right, see what happens. Scott is here.
Did not even notice that I'm there. How ironic.
So he's Scott's actually working on some stuff.
Everybody else is playing.
Yeah. So he's working on putting these ground throws together. He's gonna solder some wires. Got a couple turnouts in the intermodal yard that need that. So. Jim's getting measurements. What are you getting measurements for, Jim?
I'm gonna make a large stockyard here.
So since Jim has the deed to the ranch over there, he's taking some measurements to, you know, do some stuff with it. So we're just adjusting volume controls, bell, whistle, that kind of stuff, horn. So Scott's here. He helped me change speed steps on the new locomotive. Actually just kind of running it now a little bit to kind of break it in, I guess. Go forward for a little while, go backwards for a little while. Little whiles, there's a new word for you. Yeah, so good times. We're breaking it in. Oh wait, I want to take that styrofoam off. Fast. So there's Jim. He stopped by for, where are you there? Well, there we are. There's Jim. He stopped by for a little bit to say hi and to measure the cattle yard and stuff. So
Smile, crazy.
right, night crazy.
Raise your black marker, you can paint a smile on yours.
All right. Good to see Jim. The things that happen when you're not paying attention and watching. The train was going by and it went by a siding and it's like, oh hey, let's throw this boxcar on here real quick. But I think I know why the boxcar was on the siding and not being used, because I think it's got issues. So I'm glad I caught it before the locomotive came back around. Anyways.
Stay safe.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye.
Thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the like button and the bell.
So that was Scott. It was nice. Scott. It stopped. Why did it stop? So I was just editing this video and thought I'd jump in for a second. Gonna leave you with some trains running. I was looking for some music to put in this little segment. I found kind of a cool song. I don't normally put the artist name and the name of the song in the video, but I just thought I would on this one. I don't know, just kind of cool. All right, here we go.
The world is spinning out of control. Tell me something that I don't know. We could burn the pages out from history, or weave the common colors and find peace between young hearts and old souls, coming to a crossroads, lost the love and lost the beat, but now it's time to find it once again. In the pulse of a nation, it's more than you and me. I know it's hard to breathe. In the street, I hear freedom crying. So let's stop fighting, start finding the pulse of a nation. Where the men ain't telling the truth, no. But Dylan's words are getting me through. While we're tangled up in our own point of view, yeah. I can't be surprised it ain't nothing new. And when harmony is out of reach, nobody practice what they preach. I lost the love and lost the beat. Now it's time to find it once again. In the pulse of a nation, it's more than you and me. I know it's hard to breathe. In the street, I hear freedom crying. So let's stop the fighting, start finding the pulse of a nation. Oh, put the flames out for the wind blows. No bad blood's gonna run cold.
Alright. Kind of running the new locomotive around. Trying to find some cars that run well. And you might have seen in the video, it's kind of touchy with using the phone. It's kind of, start stuff. So, but like I said, Scott and I did change the speed steps and stuff, so that's made it better. So it's a little touchy, but it's running alright. Alright. Got all the cars put back somewhere. So I think I'm gonna pack up the locomotive and head home. So anyways, yeah, today Scott got a little bit done on little ground throw thingies, but we got to see Jim and we got to see Scott. I also had another visitor over, which I did not show on camera, but it was really cool to see her. Glad to see her, that was cool. If she came over, you know who you are, thank you. So anyways, that's it. We just kind of ran trains a little bit and hung out and visited. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye. See ya. Wait, I forgot the camera and the phone.
Let's stop the fighting.